Colin and I bought a house and I'm gonna give you guys a empty house tour because they are moving all our stuff into the garage as we're painting this week as well. So I'm so excited. Okay, let's do a house tour. Of course, Beau's here. So as soon as you walk through, there's an entranceway and then stairs, and then you get to the backyard there. But you turn the corner here and we have a nice wood burning stove. So cute. This house has so much potential, lots of great light. This is the formal living room. Tons of nice wood features everywhere. Like this wall here, so beautiful. Tons of space in this house. I plan on doing so many things to this house. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take those off the window there. And then this is our kitchen. As soon as the light changes up here. This is our kitchen. Eventually, sometime in the future, I am gonna change the kitchen, but for now it's great, works for us. So this is our other living room. We're planning to put a couch, TV in here just for like casual watching TV. Such a nice big area as well, and it leads outside into our backyard. If you walk this way, just past the living room, we have a little ensuite bathroom here, and then you walk into our mudroom and laundry room. These appliances are just 2 years old, but when we redo this area, I want to put all shelving up there and then shelving on this side as well. So this is our first bathroom upstairs. It's very outdated, but it has such good potential. But look at this bathtub. Oh, and it's got this great mirror already. Again, lots of potential in this house, just very outdated. We have a linen closet here, and then this is the first bedroom. This is gonna be our guest bedroom. It's a good size. We're gonna put the closet doors back on, of course, and we are painting white, but we're so patiently waiting to go downstairs. So out of there, you see this nice open space here. I plan to make like a little book nook or some sort of seating kind of cozy area there. Can't wait for that. And then this is our other spare bedroom. Also same size, this is gonna be my office. Gonna put the closet doors back on, obviously, and then from here you can see the backyard. And then we have the master. They have this shelving unit here, but we're gonna tear it down when we make this bathroom bigger. So this is just a pretty small ensuite bathroom. It's got a very black charcoal shower. Kind of gross, but it's okay. Again, need some updates. And then we go into the master. Nice huge room, and we got a huge walk-in closet, which I am stoked about. We're gonna put a different shelving unit in here, but so stoked on how much space we have. Beau, do you like the space? Do you like the space? Another reason I love this place is because of how many windows it has. There's windows everywhere, right, Beau? Right? And that's it. That's our house. I'm super excited to start renovating it and making it ours. There's a lot of things in this house I do want to do, so I'm super stoked for that. So stick around for all the reno videos and for more before and afters of this house. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Bye.